You say Merry Christmas?
Daddy!
Hey, Carson. Come on down and see what Santa Claus brought you.
Wow, beautiful. And beautiful, yeah. Yeah!
What do you see?
Church dress.
What's this?
Church dress.
Santa Claus came to see you.
What is this church dress? We're going to this church dress.
Come on, it's all yours.
Church. Whoa. No. It's a dog. Where's the church dress? Hi, baby. We're going to
Santa brought your babies a bed and some food.
Oh, baby, see this bowl. Whoa. Again. This big vegetable. I can win.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa! It's a good one.
Can you say Merry Christmas?